Hi, my name is Amy with WTI, and this right here is not your ordinary ladle. My most favorite thing about it is, check this out. It flexes, grips, and conforms to the side of your pot. I also love the color. I picked Aqua Sky, and I just love it. Now notice this has over a 10-inch handle. This food grade silicone is heat resistant up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. And look at the handle. It's got a very nice grip to it. And so when I'm using it, I feel like it's very easy to control. If you want an upgraded ladle, you will want to go with this U-Taste silicone ladle. I love the way it looks. I love the handle, the weight of it, but especially how it grips the side. I just love that. So I think you're really gonna love this too, but that's just my point of view.